What is the most common lie that you hear people say about you?
Some of our staff members asuke ngekho mentally ready for izinto ezenzeka lapha. Akuhlezi kukuhle kodwa njalo. Ma customer ayathetha ayaqwathisana. They even make threats. Angithi but they know it's a black business, black owned business.
Yeah, they can actually bayazi ukuthi ubani.
Yeah, but they even make threats. Dubai is the only country where there's 100% safety in terms of crime. Angeke uzothola Dubai ukwaziwe nani. Nama-towers yonke indawo, nama-cameras yonke indawo. Yeah, it was drugs nendaba yokuthwala. What else? And then abanye bathi hayi yabo maybe eshaya amajidi ngiza ama-voice note ethi khonto ayiphushayo khonto
esayidini
then abanye nje sama-weeks smart hair boutique.
You know when you say smart hair, I'm thinking of what if inwele they'd have some Wi-Fi.
Cheap. Elon Musk.
Yeah, like me cheap unyana.
It's possible.
It's possible.
Yeah, for the effort industry.
You know, do you believe the chances to say how to this guy? Asikubingelele sikwamukele ohlelweni the Everyday People Show. Igama lami ngubhekani Msuthu wakwaZungu. Siyabonga ke once again for tuning in and thank you for making sure ukuthi you actually like, comment and share konke esikwenzayo ke ekhona la ohlelweni lakho lihamba phambili. Sikhona ku 150 Express, ungasilike ke ne page lethu khona ku Facebook and also Thukela News Times nakhona kanjani ku Thukela News Times Plus yakhona nakhona ukuthi ukwazi ukusithola. And also you can also join as a member uzokwazi ukuthola an exclusive content that we have that we share only with our members. You know what to do. Mawehla nje kancane uzobona la kuthiwa khona join bese uyajoina. Ma details ukuthi kujoinwa kanjani akhona lapha ngifuna ukwasho uzofika uwaboneke as usual. Bafowethu njengenjwayelo ke siniphathele one of the most interesting people because that's what we do. Get you interesting people to talk to, sikhulume nabo and get to know them very well. Mina ke umjito engimazi njengosigazo umjito wase iPhone smartphone avenue. Yeah. Simazi ngama iPhone most of the time. Smartphone avenue sinaye ke namhlanje so my business konke interesting but engifuna ukumbuza yona kuqala before singene nje sithini ngithenge ngichecka lapha ku Facebook wakho sigazo.
Yebo.
Ngibona kubhala ukuthi entrepreneurial enthusiast. Okay, I understand that. Ambivert.
Yes, ambivert.
Yes. Usho ukuthini lokho?
Ambivert is a mix of my personalities. Umuntu okwaziyo uba nomsindo ebe out there ebe ne personality much more lively.
Yeah.
ngokwesiZulu umuntu okwaziyo nje ebe nako ukuphapha abuye futhi ekwazi ukuqoqa ungabe uthi njalo uma umbona uhleze phapha ngelinye ilanga uma umbona akaphaphi accommodative
umuntu ongena ngapha nangapha
ubalanced nje kahle
mayifika abantu bephapha naye fika phaphe mayifika kuthulekile futhi ufika thu.
Yes,
I like that. I think that's what I'm going to be from now on. Siyabonga mfethu ohlelweni lethu. Usigazo ubani mangathiwa nje you answer that question.
Usifiso wakubheka umfana okhulele eMnambithi banomlebhelele ngibuye ngibe nekhaya futhi nasemaromeni kahle ngikhulele emaromeni mfana nje wasemakhaya nje ncane nje onamaphupho and just uzama nje inhlanhla empilweni and athathe lokufika yabo ahambe nakho lokho.
Mhlambe take us back awusihlehlise sibuyele back where you saying you grew up ubala indawo yasemaromeni wabala kaNomlebhelele.
Yebo,
angazi kaNomlebhelele ngasemnambili abikubona uMlebhelele
isho usihlamisa kuba ngaleli gama ogogwayelisho ise Acaciaville.
Ise
Acaciaville angithi phela sikhulela lapha ezindlini zodaka so intombi camp so bekuthiwa lento ama section.
Okay.
So akusiza ukuthi ngithi Acaciaville phela kumele ngicacise ukuthi mhlawumbe isendomba noma ike.
Okay. So Acaciaville kwaNomlebhelele.
Yes, ise site la lapha then kube khona neside lama because angifuni mangimention ukuthi ngikhulele kube ngazathi manje sengikhuluma ngeside elilodwa lomndeni because
so both side bubuya ngapha ubuya ngapha
yebo impela
so ukhule mangabe ngikuzwa I don't know whether ukhulele ekhaya weumama nobaba was there noma mhlawumbe umama nobaba bebekade seba abantu abahlukene ububuya ngapha nangapha
hayi nje basushila beniya ngapha nangapha so
mhlawumbe I don't know mina ngumuntu okhulelwe ekhaya kunomama nobaba ne ngizwa abanye abantu bethi ayi ngikhulele ekhabo mama unyathi ngikhulele ekhabo baba kunjani mfethu ukukhula mhlambe without both your parents present at the same time ngiyazi mhlambe bekhona in a way bebekhona ngakhona but being there could babe khona so skat or maybe ukumove between these two places
khona phela okuhle nokubi sikuthuma iqiniso phela angeke sihlezi khona ngokuhle kodwa but mina kwangisiza ngokuhambela personal because ngizokhuluma ngeexperience yami ngoba into ebhekene nami kuphela kwangisiza phela ngifunde nami usiko lenziwe ekhaya obaba mangisho usiko ngikhuluma just ngezinto ezi-traditional ngikhuluma even nama-norms ama-values ama-beliefs abo iyinkolo abanazo nemfundiso kakhulukazi imfundiso ngi-absorba lokho fundisa lokho uma uthi kanje uphatha kanje phambi kwabantu umisele esikoleni mawufika kwababa uthola into ehlukile mhlawumbe abathanda into ehlukile nalezo bakholwa ukuthi ingane kumele ihlezi ihloniphe umuntu omdala can't even be in the same room nomuntu omdala
maybe would you say is that the reason why you are ambivalent
ngasho ngalo ngasho yabalance amakhaya amabili ahlukene mawo ngapha mhlambe ngizela nje sibonile sasenzeka mhlambe mangapha khaba makhona into abadala akwazi ukuhlala eduze kwabo ku TV kumele ingane zibe ngale kamereni ngale ulala indawo zonke abadala then mangifika ngikama akune freedom
something else
awusihlala sonke sibuke khumula sisakhula kubo generation athi yakhumula kuqatshulana ko generation so babekuvumela on the other side so ugcina nje ukwazi ukuthi hayi mangengapha ngwamele simo sangapha mangengapha ngwamele simo ngapha and then kwadlala indima ke lo na ku personality
I think that's very important. I think that's very important because it's not like kokubili khona okubi but you learn from both sides ukuthi kupho ngokuthatha futhi kupho ongeke uzukuthatha I don't know mhlawumbe ubheka umama nobaba ufuze bani kakhulu angisho
in terms of what
ngokubukeka
ngoba kuningi phela ama category
angisho ngokubukeka ngisho mhlawumbe ngendlela yokucabanga ngendlela yokwenza mhlawumbe ke ekhaya bathi ufuze bani bese mhlawumbe wena akusho wena when people see you abantu abadala sekhaya bethi ufuze usibani bani
nge-physic ngobuthi ufuze ubaba
obvious
ubuhle nyana ke ufuze uma ukhalipha ucayike leyo kodwa ngathi ngithathe ngakhabo ma ngoba nomfethu phela uqondo omningi nje sidla namhlanje udlala indima enkulu kakhulu so ngikhuluma ngesala kama so
okay ukhule wenzani I grew up playing soccer ngiyazi abanye were not into soccer bekhula but mina that's what I was exposed to that's what I grew up ngakwenza when I as a kid as ukhula as you say primary as you say high school what are you busy with
primary sangigijima because ngangine advantage ngangimuntu shothi nemlezi
mncanyana ne
yes ngangigijima ibhola bengilithanda ngidlala kodwa phela ngama discourage because abazi nesikhulu njengabanye but ngangilithanda I think ezinye zezinto nje namhlanje ongapinpoint uthi yabo sometimes awungekho ungazi izicomfortable ngoba uyabona awubukho kodwa lento uzama improve ubona mhlambe lokho akusukona kwakho but kwakugijima nje lokho ama athletics nebhola but mostly kwakugijima hazi ke noma homework sike lapho udlala nemabule emgaqweni
all those things le business iqale nini kuyibona ukuthi ikhona kwena
high school grade bani ngisakhumbula kahle grade I think as of grade 10 20 balapha as of grade 10 ngize ngisadayisa Dick Sweet dayisa Dick Sweet abangifunda nabo lapha yini le Smith secondary elasek ngidayisa Dick Sweet so ngase ngiyithanda lento yokuthi yabo mhlawumbe udayisa edikisi mhlawumbe kuyena 56 rand ushi yabo profits kumnandi ungaswela ngifuna ukama makusuka lapho nje kumnandi ungasweli because singanayo le privilege yokukhera kakhulu nanani yabo.
Yeah, because I was about to ask that ukuthi where you budayisa esikoleni because you just liked udayisa, or was it because mhlambe isimekhaya sikhona esiphoqayo ukuthi kumele kube khona something onayo, no?
Isombe singiphoqa, most importantly before nami ngize ngifind niche ukuthi hayi kumele ngenze lokho. Isombe singiphoqa because nami ngithanda ukuthi ngibe nayo into extra nyane ekhaya. Mhlambe ekhaya bekwazi ukunika 20 rand or 40 rand maybe. And ningasakhavi into efisayo yabo. Safuna ukuyolipa mhlambe isikhindi Mr Price and mhlambe so 200 and something and ubona ukuthi ayangiyithole le mali. Yabo.
So were you conscious at that time? Noma you were just doing it because I just wanna afford to ngithenge isikhindi Mr Price. Were you conscious because khona abantu abathi bekhula bethi I want to be a businessman, or abanye they just become a businessman nje kuzenzakale? Were you conscious at the time udayisa sticks with esikoleni ukuthi I want to grow up, actually I want to get into business, I want to sell?
At first when I started ngingasho consciousness ayikhona ngoba there was someone engangibukela kuyena umuntu omdala ngaphandle yebo, just being able to see sibling yakho umuntu wakini ekwazi ukuzamela because mfethu omdala waqashisa ngepeak at that time, so ngama weekends asikwazi ukuthi awupheleze labo hlale evenini ngemuva awusemshadweni nganga-understanding indaba zemali ngalesa sikhathi. But just to seeing him nje yona ndisemshadweni ethi imqashele ipeak, how next thing usebuya nezinto ekhaya negross and siyazi nje even noma ingane understand but separate when uyakwazi ukuyibona. So that was very attractive for me ngendlela enhle ngoba yabo uhlezi kuya nama sweet nezinto ezimnandi hawu makuvale ikola usithengele impahla yazi excitement yokubona umuntu omdala kuthengele into. So uba isibonelo esihle. So udayisa kwami mina ngangibukela umuntu esekhaya okusho umuntu omdala umuntu ongaziyo nje close by yazi ukuthi into eningi ngiyifunde kuyena kakhulu, but ngangenze ku level yami because yonke into nje ngepace ngangineliseka lo 60 rand mhlawumbe ngenzayo umuntu ayisithi because awuthenga idiksi mhlawumbe ngenze profit ye1 rand mawudayisa amaphetha awu2 yabo mhlawumbe ngenze 90 rand 8 rand. That was enough for me at that time. Angijabulela lokho before ngiphuma esikoleni.
Waphuma esikoleni, did you go to tertiary? Did you get a chance?
Ngaye lento le college, but I had to take a gap year qala. Because izingekho amandla okusikoleni yabo. Ayengekho enhlanhla kodwa umntana wangikhuselela ke.
Is it the same person?
Yes, it's the very same person.
Oh, okay. It must be very special.
Very, 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 very. Namhlanje phela abantu bayabona, but you have to absorb inspiration somewhere. Angeke uhambe ubanga uwedwa ngekhohlisa yabona. Itolo zethu noma ahlukile, but I did absorb inspiration before nami kuze ngikwazi nje. Kube khona ukuqondana nami.
So tertiary, what are you doing? Are you doing isn't something business or something else?
Yes, ngenze something business. I did a diploma in business management at Tegwini Prayer Technical College for 3 years. In between logo ngangizama amatoho. So ilapho ke mina nje ngaqala khona ukuthi ngicente indlela yami yanamhlanje.
So amatoho kanjani la ukuthi use college when you doing them on the side?
Itoho ngangisho inkampani eyidayisa ama-chemicals of-clean igroup. Kwake lona toho lami lokuqala.
So you were selling igroup or you were just
manufacturing? Ngisambisa igroup badelivele iy'toro lezi iy'toro nje ama-retail stores. So ngihambisa igroup still living iy'thombe zakhona. If you can scroll back on my Facebook, ama-chemicals of-clean o-jik nani but sihambisa kuyigroup eningi. Kwake logo before ngizame nokunye.
So you've been always umuntu ozamayo somehow. Ukazi ube comfortable because omunye umuntu will tell you ukuthi ngise college man ngiyafunda. So anginazi isikhathi sokulonga ubhekana namatoho whatever.
Afuka manje angikazi ngize ngaba comfortable sengiqala mhlambe sekuvuleka itoro ngo late 2022. Ngangikhambuke ngiqale yabo ukubona umzuzu because into engikhuluma ngayo ngiqale KPM 2017, but before that ngidayisa i-Discreet. But mangizobala from 2017 until 2022 la ngiqale khona ukuthi nami nali business sekhani kuba nebusiness.
Yeah.
Bekuyinto engiqale 2017 phuma esikoleni. So ngabala 17 to 2022. Not even sure how many years is that.
Yeah.
5 years.
Yeah.
Uzama luck before ngize kuba 12 skazo.
Yeah. Okay. Asingene kusigazo ke. Mina the first time I saw you were actually launching isitolo sakho la Mnambithi. Smartphone Avenue. I was there because I wanted to see for myself. Yeah. So it was the first time mina ngikubona because I didn't know you.
Before say wena ukubuza.
Yeah.
Because yes, as much as we interview.
Yeah.
Because
no, siyaxoxa.
Umqondo mina obuzayo yabo.
Yeah.
Cela ukubuza yini yona wenza ukuthi uye kwi launch the time uqala ngibona because phela awufana ngamazi.
Yeah.
I'm just a nobody.
Listen, sinazi itolo zamafoni here. You know, and they're everywhere. And there is no one black person engimaziyo that has actually is owning isitolo samafoni. Asikuye ukuthi samapha amafoni but just amafoni. You know ukuthi masikhuluma ngamafoni sikhuluma ngobani. You know mawufuna ifoni ushona up. You know mawufuna ukulungisa ifoni ushona up. So to have someone othi ngwala eMnambithi and I'm opening isitolo samafoni here. That's very interesting. Nami, I'm a very curious person. So that's the reason why I was like, okay, I want to see this guy. I want to see what is happening. Let's go and see. Ne?
Yeah.
And I came in, I was like, okay, this is dope. Ne? That was the first time we born. So take us, mhlambe sithathe usibeke to the first time you started selling phones. Because I don't know, but mhlambe you didn't start by opening a shop. You started selling before you opened the shop. Tell us, what happened to you? Who said, there's a phone now?
Yeah. It was back in 2021. Yeah. 2021. Ngakusakule phase yokusebenza ama-call center. Kahle indaba yami udayisa amafoni. Kwaba isimanga sakhulukhulu. Ngangisebenza call center 2021. Naso nje isithombe mawufika esitolo la ngibambe khona icingo lami oqala nga10 so khona umfethu la omncane nje naye wayedayisela emgaqweni yabo lento ukuthi uvele kuFacebook edayisa so umfethu lo mangiyothenga ifoni kuyena is unavailable akekho ngoba ni uhleze business abantu abaningi shuthi ngaba ile customer ngeke ngithange prioritizanga wangithumela komunye umuntu wathi hayi mfethu hamba uzofica la uzoyithola ifoni hawu mangifika ungiyisa ku supplier wakhe ngangiqala nokuna ama iPhone nje impilo mhlamba awu10 ensendana eyodwa so mangifika lapha ngiyamtshela lo muntu lo seyithi yeah this is nice ngimali nje ukuthi ngisave ile iqala cha ngifike kwangimali kane sorry about that kwangimali it was kwangimali engangihola mixed with imali ekaNSFAS because kwakusamele ngiqhubekele esikoleni because ngangihleli yabo so mangifika ke lapha ngizothenga iPhone 7 Plus I think ayimali ngasikhathi close to 5,000 umfethu andlale la athi ufuna iphi ngidide wami because ngiyaqala ngibona amafoni angaka yabo ngimthithi hayi bafethu ngithukile ngithi ngakwazi nokudayisela wanginikeza yami ngitesta it was a nice feeling ukuthinta iPhone kwakinto nje ngange good
ongayicabanga ini
iPhone phela yabiza number 1 ingane ngiyazi ngoba phela khona ngibaza abashutha esikoleni yabo babeshutha kahle yabo lento le yazi uma ungena iPhone hlezi uhlupha umuntu hayi ithombe uthumele so ngiyafika ke lapha umfethu usupplier ngidlala la phansi etafuleni uyangitshengisa ngithenga lokho semandleni nami mangithenga ngiyamtshela ukuthi hayi nginesifiso nami ukuthi ngitholela ama customer hayi ukuthi ngifuna ukudayisa because anginayo capacity ngikutholela ama customer What's all you king? I number. Ha. The first post I ever made. Ngathatha iprice this to umuntu. Not the price ithombe zomuntu. Nga screenshot ngafaka WhatsApp. Hayibo. Ha. Phela ngathi ngiphuma emakhaya mina Mnambithi. Igenge ngangifuna nayo WhatsApp. Hayibo. Dayisa lento. Hey, namanga wena. Inyama. Angazi no I had no idea nange reaction phela mina udayisa ami phone nganginegugu besides igugu kwawukuthi ngiyazama how kanti next thing ke sengene nami la
yeah
ngizoqala khona
you
yabo
ended up bona ukuthi no ngathi kuyasebenzeka here
that was not even the plan kwawukuthi nje how mangithola i-custom noma 100 rand nje nkosami isimo sami sibe ngconywana kanti lento izoba ngakumina yabo and qala kanjalo ngaqhubeka ngibuyela endaweni eyodwa up until ngahlangana nomfethu owangisiza-ke ukuthi yonke into ibe right futhi umfethu leyo nhlanhla wakhumalo sijwayele nje kuhlezi nginaye njalo ubhuti wami-ke wangicindisa ngayo yonke into.
Is it the guy who spoke kwi-launch?
Yebo.
Oh, okay.
Ngothenga ifoni.
Yeah.
Bangitshengisa ukuthi okay naku ngisazama. Then sengifuna ukuya phambili ke phela nami because the guy sometimes uyaba unavailable. Kanti sengizohlangana naye but still the person la unhlanhla ngahlala naye through lo muntu engangithengene ifoni emokuqala.
Oh yeah.
Because uhleze busy which means une busy but akekho. Yabo ngathi side hustle
focusile
exactly kanti ke uzongisa kulomuntu ofocusile nakhona ngumfana omncane kwenza every day full time une office encane kanje naye office ayincane but office yabo usiya already usiyarana yena ilapho ke ngafunda yonke into didn't even know ukuthi qhaqwa kanjani ifoni ezwa ngapho angipha ngesimanje mina sengitholela abantu ama customer amenenkinga ye product abuya kubani angasikhanda phone mina lo muntu angidayisa ifoni kuphela angikwazi ukukhanda ifoni angikwazi screen protect athenga yaphi nani so sengiyabona manje sengine traffic awuzonto abawu2nyana 3nyana hayi boss fit ngifuna screen protect hayi screen time is feed so it's no longer about ukuthi hayi ngiyadayisa uyahamba see in house lento
sekune responsibility would you have to take a responsibility noma kuthiwa kwenzakalani
so ngahlangana nomashobane kunhlanhla ubhuti wami and Twana Skisi luckily ushare isibongo sama wami so kwavele nje kwawubhuti wami
okay
from then I never looked back so angina office sengijoyina umfethu office engimvakashela every day bafo nenkinga transparent ngayo yonke into usesiwathe ngefone uyisile ucela simshintshele iscreen ubafo uyangisiza ngiyabuka uyangisiza I'm always coming back 3 months someday no ubafo nama customer ke nama ngifunde phela lento qala kanjalo iphethini.
Do you still remember the first person that you sold
to? Ngiyakhumbula umbalo umzala wami ngamdayisela iHawaii P40 ngoMay 2020 lo nyaka lo umzala wami kusho kona ukuthi charity begins wena wangisupport and uyakwazi na she's the first customer ngathi umuntu ondayisela umuntu ifoni oqala umuntu wasekhaya umzala wami umbalo P40 wayihlala ke eNewcastle wayeseThekwini sestabile weza bazolento le wangitholela ama colleagues akhe ukuthi yazi umuntu mayithenga ngitholela ama colleagues akhe kanjalo so
mhlambe ukufunda kwakho ngifuna ukuchecka la because you saying you were a college ufunda izinto ze business endleleni mhlambe orana ngayo business lakho right now how much of it that ukusebenzisayo that you learned esikoleni?
I'd say 80%, 70 to 80% because kwakhona ama modules whereby ngiyabona ke marketing ngiyakhumbula sifunda ngelento le what they call this at this point hierarchy management level nani amapolice asemsebenzini ukuthi umuntu yabo nama procedures yabo how to report ama grievances emsebenzini how to outline ama policies umuntu ofike late ungihandlisha kanjani ngikhuluma ngento ebhalwe phansi I had to cram all of that mase yobhala ngithi so kwakule record lento uthi okay phatha kanje nawe as umphathi omsebenzi uphatha kanje you can't just khona izinto zo sexual harassment emsebenzini you can't overdo izinto emsebenzini or overshare nani so kwangisiza okunye phela bengikufunda naku ubhuti omdala ngithi ngibona na indlela aphatha ngayo behave ngayo yabo so kwayimishayo wonke but kwangisiza ngifuna nanguthi kuye esikoleni ngiyavulana emqondweni
so advise someone who wanna get into business just go and do some business
even a short course because some business phela namhlanje ba afford it's kuhle vele be afford because uyabona ama lifestyles abo thothi umuntu usenemoto eziningi emsebenzini wakhe nani material equipment but kubalekile nesikole ngifuna uqamba amanga isikolo nje siyakuchanela ukuthi nje ubona into ongakazi uyibona uma usesikoleni unomehluko umuntu osobuya esikoleni wayofunda izinto especially uma usazo specialize ngalelo business nomuntu onganayo lo vast knowledge. I know mina till today I know business people or businessmen aba millionaires but still HR yakhe poor, his finances are not good. It's a fact. Angeke ngize ngicategorize, angeke ngithi osomathenda or what, but I know businessmen abarelya knowledge abantu ba outsource. You can't outsource everything emsebenzini wakho. Uzothi hayi PAM is going to handle that. Oh, meeting uzongihambela. You can't even have a proper conversation. Manje akufika deputy president, it's nang I wanna ufisa ukufunda nje ngo 2 million. Awushaye proposal yakho wena hayi uthi uthumela omunye umuntu.
Let's see.
So yeah.
Yo, so how many bangaka abantu that you employ now? Okay, maybe let's start how many shops do you have?
Currently I have 9.
9.
Yeah. 09 is physical stores.
Yeah.
09.
Yeah. And the it ends on.
Kumele ngabe zu10 kodwa zu9. KZN sangaka is it 5? KZN, Free State nase Gauteng but ngazi mhlambe ngazisho sisemnambithi la siqala khona engaqala khona back in 2022 physical store but before lokho bengidayisa 2021 wonke nase Newcastle asikhona, Friday isikhona, Potchefstroom iseThekwini iseMaritzburg, so that means 6 in KZN. Then sibe khona eQwaqwa which is Free State bese kube iseJohannesburg ayi makhona nesikhohliwe wona Richards Bay. Ngize njengoba ngihlezi chat akuhlezi yonke into inhle ngavula nase Bloemfontein but sasingenawo ama weekends amaningi so kwakuseasonal so ngazivala leso store ngonyaka ondlule ngoApril so yarana nje ilizami 1 year and it didn't perform yabo.
Okay.
Yeah.
No. Ngiyakuzwa. And people let you employ how many? Just the estimation mhlambe ngeke ubazi.
I think 22 to 25 right now. 22 to 25.
Ukhaya lapha if something
20
is telling you.
Who knows? Now 23.
30. Yeah.
Khona abasebenza esitolo, khona abangasebenza esitolo. So
yeah.
Angisababali.
So bebonke nje balapha around 30.
But just below 30.
Yeah.
Slightly
you know how much difference do you make mhlawumbe? Do they tell you ukuthi, do they ever tell you ukuthi you employ 30 people? Do you understand the difference that uyenzayo, especially kubantu abasha, especially kule economy that we are in? That's not a small thing.
Kunzima mfethu kamanga.
Akusiyona into encane.
Push passion kunzima.
Yeah.
Angikwazi ukubona mina ngafuna ukama my.
But I do feel like abantu abanjengayo they need to be told now and then so that they keep going. You know, because sometimes abanye abantu they angisho ukuthi kumele uphilele ukutshela but sometimes you do need someone to say bro we can actually see that you're actually pushing and you're making a difference. Ne? 30 people like siyona into encane man. You know kunesikole esinotisha about 30 and the whole school
kunzima
about it. Yeah. So ngifuna sibeleke sibheka ama challenges because ukhuluma indaba ukuthi ke wavala. What are the challenges? Ngiyazi ukusebenza ngabantu, you work with a lot of people in different places, banama personalities ahlukahlukene, you have to manage all those people. What are the main challenges ongathi these are the challenges that I actually face? Kule spanning senzayo. Mhlambe ngiqale internally so bese siphuma mhlambe uthola ukuthi mhlambe ayinkinga zokuthi usuyidayisile ifoni yabo and all these things. But ngifuna ukubona internally being umuntu ophethe abantu about 30 and you have to make sure ukuthi unalezi stores u9 that are working. What are the challenges obhekana now every day?
Engakusho before nginabe you just have to be disciplined lo mkhakha yo. Because kuyangena kuyaphuma yabo. You get customers yangena yaphuma and you need to have a very very solid cash flow. You don't need to have a solid cash flow and then ke sesikhoma ama challenges ke lokhu yabo jwayelekile.
Yeah.
My customers sometimes they're very impatient and bayaba impatient. Yazi umuntu a-order into knowing very well izofika after few days but use impatient.
So ifuna manje.
Yeah, and then into mina ngidayisa ama-gadgets. Sidayisa ama-gadgets siyabadayisa phela ama-gadgets. Isibonelo asithi ngidayisa ama-gadgets awu-100 or 1,000 a month or 500 isibonelo.
Yeah.
Angeke into ngithenga phesheya ngilanda phesheya. Yabo. So sometimes uba ne-delay, sometimes if you're on time. If you get on time, that is 90%, let's say 5% on my defects, which means the product's in king. Hey! Custom, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Network ayikho umuntu lapho usemakhaya weekend yonke knowing very well till come out don't kahle jewen ayinayo network lento masufika esitolo sompolisa kahle but usethethile and then you have to contact so yabo train staff challenge train staff umuntu ufika emsebenzini umqashi vele kulula phela mawusasuka ekhaya hayi ngifuna umsebenzi ngokuthi yanje ngifuna umsebenzi masutholile umsebenzi la challenges some of our staff members asuke ngekho mentally ready for izinto ezenzeka lapha akuhlezi kukuhle kodwa njalo ma customer yathetha ayaqwajisana they even make threats angithi but they know it's a black business black owned business
they can so actually bayazi ukuthi ubani
but they even make come threats yabo they saying the refund policy ngithi okay it's fine this product so needs after 7 days umuntu enza ama threats personal to umsebenzi wami it's if solving resolve my way. So you have to protect your staff and the staff then SA security. Yabona mase kunama cost ahlukile ngangekho engangekho prepared for wona ngiziqala business. So
I don't know yazi ngifuna sikhulume ngaleyo because do you think it's when it comes to you because it's a person that they know, it's a person that they can actually have a contact with. Ngifuna ukwenza example ukuthi ngenze example ngo Vodacom, you know. Asazi ukuthi ubani ophatha Vodacom, who started it and who owns it and all these things. Do you think if ngithenga ifoni kuwena or isitoro sakho, if ngine complain, I'll complain differently than the way ngizocomplain ngakhona mangifika eVoda shop?
It's always the case. I ngobani, it's always the case. Umuntu ufika ngokwenza isibone into enzakalayo sinama working hours zivala past 4 zivula 9 umuntu engafika athenga i-charge imhluphe ngo9:15 ufaka i-DM kumina personal bani personal account so mina ngasebusuku sihlale siyaxoxa la indaba zethu sibuka ibhola angikwazi leyo message ngivele ngiblue-tick angithi sekuthiwa usephakeme useyatshela it's 9 o'clock ngibuka ibhola personal time but ke ngiye understand it because yabona as always I try to balance things ngibeyicathu as a custom beyicathu zethu and njengoba usho le economy sikuyona asina choice I have to show up angina choice I have to show up because ngomuntu omnyama ngenza business and elilaka abantu I have to show up whenever I'm available I do show up avela ngifuna ama complaints, not even complaints, even ama order ayangena kumina. Yabo. Everything nje abantu bayabuza phela abantu sometimes abanye bathanda ukuthi bekhulume nami. Like even staff nami sasengibambela meeting but abantu sometimes bafika esitolo bathi bafuna ukukhuluma nami, bafuna mina, bafuna ukorder kumina. Even if there's a complaint bafuna uku-addressa kumina. And it's a story into engaka mayifika kumina umuntu ethi hayi yabo so into yethu abantu abamnyama
that's the thing yokuthi sifika nini la khona angisho ukuthi sikhohle wena but we are able to detach your personal life impilo yakhe personal from istore njengoba usho ukuthi umuntu engafika athenga i-charger e-store maybe you didn't even know ukuthi uyithengile that's the thing yokuthi kwesinye istore will just simply go back to a store athi I have a problem ngale charge. But because we ask what it's you, we can actually just DM you. I don't know. Is there mhlambe reason ukuthi vele sibasha when it comes to lezinto zama business mhlambe we don't understand ukuthi you don't really run izinto personally, you have people that are running those things. I understand what sometimes we think
I think ekusuke ekutheni when I started the business angithi bengengedwa ngiyidayisela ngithatha nje ifoni ngikwazi ukuthatha itaxi ngiyisele ezakheni ngiyile Sanchez ngikunikeze because ngaqala kanjalo almost for close to 2 years. Almost close to 2 years ngangidayisa even mafika e-store ngazi wabona TV ama-video la ngidlala lapho ngangenza ama-delivery mina so abantu they got that personal attachment ukuthi okay yento yaqala lo sazi yena so abanye abathanda ucommunity staff abanye for whatever reasons mhlawumbe omunye umuntu mhlawumbe usebenzela kamasipala akafuni le engagement abantu abaningi avela
ufuna straight
afuna mina ethi isifiso cela ungilethele lokho emsebenzini wami useyazi lokho sekuyifavor at the same time ngiyasebenza then ke manje available ngiyakwazi umsiza mangeke then ngithumele yabo umuntu ezingisebenza naye.
Would you say that is an advantage or a disadvantage? Would people can actually contact you directly?
It's a mixture of both, eh? But yeah, a mixture of both. Mangikhathele because nami phela ngisuke ngisekhaya or ngiphuza ngithatha inamba yakhe ngenkulu inhlonipho bese ngidlulisela umuntu so sengivele ngivume ngithi ayicela ngiphe inamba yami kube ngathi yimina ngizokhuluma naye bese ngidlulisela umuntu ozomsiza because mengizothi hayi thinta umuntu ose-office abanye baya offendeka into engi-experience ayo leyo so ungcono ngithi hayi ngizokusiza ngicela ungiphe ucingo lakho bese ngidlulisela kumuntu osebenza e-office amsize because basuke baningana abantu I can't like yabo attend abantu bonke ngesikhathi esisodwa.
All right, I saw that you also into Airbnbs. I saw that. Tell us ukuthi you are free to talk about it. Ngiyazi ukuthi businesses wazalo kakhulu amafoni but I saw that you are interested in the thinta ama Airbnbs and also how they work because ngiyazi ukuthi akhona but I honestly don't know how they work. Aduke ngani ama Airbnbs esiwajwayele where you just book and you go and sleep or do whatever you want to do.
Airbnb basically it's a personal property whereby you can be for business or personal. Mina ngizokusho as a businessman umuntu osanda business ukuyela phambili. Ngathenga umuzi when was it 2023 that was my first personal house at Johannesburg apartment. At first kwawukuthi ayinami phela ngithi uyazi mawukhula try masuyindoda amele ube nomuzi yabo. It was a personal property engayithenga. By the time sekumele ngimove in inhliziyo yami yathi hayi akusiwona umuzi wami lo awube webusiness and then I was like I just immediately ventured into Airbnb. Sengifinisha ngayifaka bangisiza bangiregister zonke lezi zinto za online. So Airbnb indawo igumbi lokulala kahle kahle elikhokhelwa umuntu ebe ne freedom uyaphekela ukudla kwakho mawufika lapho ube ne access to indlu yakho indlu yonke swim mawuswima then uyakhokha phela obvious nami ngicover ama cost ami so kusuka ispace esincane asifana nama lodge friends bakhe mhlambe amakama akho bawu10 so kwake start ngangitest ukuthi khamba kanjani ma property because even is cool njalo everyone says hey property angifuna ukubonela ngidele ngibonisa ngempela into abakhuluma ngayo ngeproperty iyayisana niphambili is profitable because uma uyibusiness dela ngokubona phela
is it true what they say because wonke umuntu job is like I want to invest in property can you confirm ukuthi there's a lot of money
iproperty nemali property osuyikhokelile or uyakhile enezoba nayo return on investment yabo iproperty profitable property kwenzela imali so mina kwamanje eBNB iyangikhavela yesithwani ibond but as soon as ibond nami siphelile kuzobe sukuyiprofit kube sukuyini kube sekune profit ekhokhela ama levy kuphela but yeah it is profitable just that mele kube kuningi ngabo kodwa yabo ingako uma ubukisisa kahle igengele masikhulile over 40s 50s sithi hayi unama property so sekushelela ngoba imali siyangena
kade aqala I get you
uyibeke kahle
I get you
noma kuthiwa no 5 years
it's long term ne
yes as long as property yakho is paid up and members wazo uyikhokhela imali yakho uyayibona okwamanje mina hayi kahle isangikhavela nje ibondi emva kweminyaka ethizeni ke mase sikhavile ngeqede mhlawumbe namse kunengane izoneke zobe sithi hawu osekuhlamule itomole ingane hayi
azike ingane nyama
azikabi khona
ayikabi
khona kodwa it's always the case kumele ube khona umuntu ozoyenza lento then ingane ezophila kangconywana yabo
I get you
so yibona zobe sebedla leyo profits
I get you beside the phone and Airbnb is there anything else that you do that we don't know of
ngumuntu afethu
khona
ngiyaphefumula ngiyaphila
no
ingane ekhaya
business wise.
yeah business wise I also have smart hair boutique whereby Daisama week smart hair
oh okay.
boutique.
You know when you say smart hair I'm thinking of what if inwele they have some Wi-Fi
cheap Elon Musk.
Yeah, like me cheap unyana,
it's
but
possible. It's
possible.
Yeah, for the industry.
Oh,
Possible.
yeah,
Anything's possible.
So you're also selling a week, eh?
Yes.
Okay, that's
Angiwadayisi nje ngaye China la khiqizwa khona ngawabona bayenza from scratch and got one of the best suppliers in Africa, not just South Africa.
Yeah.
Yeah, just that ingane nami yokuqala mafuna vele keep up busy kakhulu.
Yeah.
So still have to work on getting a manager right umuntu osimame nje
uzoba full hands on.
Yeah, because ngiyabona ukuthi angakabi good ekumathesisike because the first company demanda kakhulu isikhathi yabo so nami mele ngifaka uswazi ukuthi ngiqinise isandla khona kuzokwazi ukuthi because abantu eqinisweni abaningi bangezela amafoni so as much as I can introduce abanye amabhizinisi abanye obviously ngizoba nemarket ehlukile mangathiwa kusasa ngivula indawo yokudla khona mhlambe bangangisupporta ngoba bathabatha ukudayisa ukudla yabo so now I need to make sure recruit umuntu right ozokwazi ukungibambela kahle bayathenga impela abantu but ngifuna uyiphusha at least maybe halfway njenge Smartphone Avenue then ngiyazi ke lapho izobe sendaweni right yabo so umathi sasika kunzima ngifuna uqamba mhanga you can't just say because you're a businessman kanti wonke amabhizinisi
azohamba kahle. Yeah.
You need to be patient as well because ungaba ne car wash ujunga emarket ube nendawo ukushisa inyama uthi kungabi interest because inhliziyo yakhe ithanda le business and mhlambe you are already surviving or we comfort zone ngebusiness load so mase uvula ama business ubuye kwavule sense ama resources akho bese uhlula kunaka it happens and ngikubonile lokho ngami but ya drawing board nje
sengizokukhulula uhambe but I just wanna ask this question.
You can.
What is the most common lie that you hear people say about you?
Yo.
Because I know when you are this type of a person, man, who's successful, and most of the people, especially by Lamnabi, they know you. I'm quite sure that when you become successful, some people will not just take the fact of what you work hard. Yeah, they will say a lot of things, you know. What is that one lie that you say, hey, abantu bazibanqambela manga about this thing?
At first, athi ngambe ubile ngakuzwa yabo.
Yeah.
First ngakuthiwa into zokuthwala. And then secondly, that's why I'm selling what do you call this thing? Drugs and so forth.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I've heard those two things.
Yeah.
It was drugs and then what else? And then abanye bathi hayi yabo maybe eshaya amajithi ngiza ama voice note ethi khonta iphushayo le khonta
iphushayo.
Yeah. Then abanye nje into ngiyami.
You know why ngithanda ukwenza this type of interviews. You know, to abanye abantu abangakwazi, you understand, and they hear those things they show abanye abantu abathi nami wasemnambili lo mjita nyamazi, you understand, angeka vele. But when they hear actually a story from you ukuthi ngiqale ngadayisa iDixwit esikoleni and this happened and this happened and this happened and this happened, at least kumuntu onesense uyasho but this guy is working, you understand, because there is a lot abantu basho noma especially when you are black and you are young and you are successful, so abantu they get a chance ukuthi we can say whatever we want. Hayi usikazo siyamazi khule naye uthe kuphe khule naye angeke mfethu ukuthi usikaze sengaba nemali enga, you understand. But if they hear the real story from you, at least umuntu ongamazi udala amajita bayakhuluma because that's what they are saying. Kujwayelekile mfethu, I won't lie, kujwayelekile when a black person becomes successful. And then people will be like, uthwele, or exactly what you're saying, kontaita isa. How does that make you feel? Let's say you hear someone said uthwele. How does that make you feel?
At first, but I wasn't strong mentally because mina ngiqalile business ngangiqalela mina ngingedwa. And I think you've seen me mkhulu phambi kwakho comparing South Africa, even nje ungibona nje time South Africa nje mnambithi at that time. Umehluko yabo, even physical uyangibona ningasehlukile. So yabona into ngeke uyicontrol this day and age. I read a lot of documentaries. I watch a lot of documentaries in my business. I was watching Pablo
Escobar.
Yeah, I was watching his series. I'm very invested in it. He was successful. Enza ama sacrifice. I saw it. Guys, but there's always a thing or two you can learn. Ngabantu asebehambile. Uhambo labo yabo.
Yeah.
Kuningi okufundayo. Impilo zabo azikho normal into yokuqala. Khona mina sebe successful. Uyabona abanye bayakhatha abanye basahlala kungasemakubo. Uzuthi umuntu kuthiwa uyiwa ona espaba awumboni kodwa mhlawumbe ufika ngoDecember kuphela. You should ask yourself why, because vele izandla eningi angeke uthole ngasekhaya, and that's why mina nga diverse and support ngithola kakhulu futhi ngiyayithola futhi ngasekhaya nangendawo, but inkampani nje ibanjwa abantu abahlukahlukene. So mangizo compareisha abantu abasho lezi zinto eziziphi compared to abantu abenza izinto ezinhle lomkhakha ngekona yabo. I choose to focus low kuhle. So angeke avoid ngiqamanga
ngeke abantu bavala umlomo ukuthi
bemkhulu. And I'm grateful that I have second ekwazi uku-advise every now and then, because abantu abaningi ukuthi sebeyamazi yabo and bang-advise la abantu engisuke nabakazi abangithanda abakwazi ukutshela noma ngayini. So mangizwe izilabo nabantu basekhaya ngi-right yabo. So lezo zinto nje izohlezi khona, and isiqalo leso yabo. How much more sekuthiwa $1 so-50, how much more kuthiwa sengenza i-partnership nabo Vodacom, how much more ngasahlali ke ngisengenzile all mhlawumbe ama-interviews maybe 5 or 10 years time, so sesenza online kuphela. And it's possible because anything is possible
at this time and age.
At this day and age is possible. And, anything is possible. Ngikusho ngoba I got approached by the company ekhuluma ngayo, by the way, and we just talking stage.
Which one?
Vodacom.
Oh, okay.
Head office as a KZN, basibona sivula efrahead. Senze video because you know I do social media yabo. Senze video the time ngivula ngazo ayibona nisize sivula. The last branch ngivula sivula ekhaya end of
grand opening yakhona.
Ngabona ivideo ethi 1.5 million on Facebook. Then bafona belungu. Banye bafuna unikeza ama-landline or fiber nani. I was like, first ngasikhipha ngathi I send the email, I verify, shay into le Skype, iZoom. Belungu. If umlungu ekwazi ukutshela umlungu sele ekwazi ukuthi hey konke engibona la sike sikhuluma ngabantu, so how much more umuntu omnyama akuzokuthatha uthwela, umuntu ohlalele nje echofoza ifoni ethi uthwela. What do I have to gain? Nginani? Yini ngizokugain yabo?
And most of the time abantu who actually not busy with anything.
So umuntu othi uthwele compared to umuntu ethu Vodacom, I want to do this with you nationally. Mina yikuphi engijabulisayo la, so choose lo right seek. So it's kuningi but
I know. Ngiyakuzwa. That's good. Where to, man? Let's say in 5 years time ngifuna sibhekela kade ngifunda nje somewhere ukuthi China has launched 10G. 10G network, ne? Ukulezi into nawo ze technology. If let's say 10 years, angisafunda usibuye kude 20 years because izinto zenzeka fast. Where do you see technology ikuphi in 10 years?
Yabona umhlaba uphethwe technology bafethu. Phethwe technology. Ngiyababona it's a mixture of balance because it's just an opinion yami le. Umhlaba some healthy workers akhona vele umuntu akakwazi ukuphila without some healthy workers. Not that I'm being off topic but sengiyasho nje inkolelo. Siyadingana onjiniyela nani. Right now nje sit podcast sisebenzisa iphi equipment. Khiqizwe ngante. Angisikhuluma nge-tech. Angithi lento zoyifaka lapha yeko ku-YouTube nani. Even umuntu ose-China ngayibuka lento. In a way yokuthi makuthi uyenza ama-subtitles. Makuthiwa le conversation esibinayo. Ma-subtitles ubuwafakile. Umuntu ose-China can understand and grasp everything besikhuluma ngayo namhlanje. Technology is very vast. It has a long lifespan. I can even say, even in the next 100 years, izobe sakhona i-tech. Ama-plane may fly. how do they make communication abanye bathi hayi ayikho network mina mangithatha iflight ngaphesheya ngithenga idatha lapha ngisenga video call and FaceTime ngile 14 hours ago so I'm just letting you know ukuthi ivast kakhulu technology and it's going very far and it's very important for abantu belento le be adapt to whatever that's going on ubonile imshini ukuthi yona esengenayo ema toll gates mhlambe 100 years time not even
100 is too far
abo ma toll gates
100 is
ngenza example nje esimple
yeah
yaza toll gates ugcina sesifaka lapha imshini
yeah and
abanye ngesibaqasha
I think we are late because of that I think we are late honestly because honestly if you've been ma like public toilets in my garage you just put it to run there ungene so why is it so difficult with mangifika ku toll gate I can just put money and just move
imoto ukuthi yabona Elon Musk imoto ziyas drive
yeah
uyabona imoto songathatha nje ugogo ekhaya ngithi ayigogo esibhedlela imoto idrive ime robotini kuningi but there's a lot
I know you said you've been to China ne
yes I've been
and I think I've seen you I don't know whether it was Dubai or something but UAE compared to angenze ngalawo mazwi awu2 that I think I know that you've been to comparing South Africa to those countries how far are we
sisela kakhulu Dubai it's very unfair for us to compare ourselves to Dubai Dubai generational guys Dubai ungaya manje khona snow ungene indoors ne snow they have the tallest building ayikho into engekho Dubai
snow they made
Dubai ayikho into engekho yonke into oyifunayo ngisho ngomlomo wakho ungayithola Dubai literally like anything
yeah
Dubai idalule lokho because yakho ikhwile enzima ngabe phethe uhlaba ngathi just to make it izinto simple ukulandela ibhola wabonile ama Arab yenzani Cristiano Ronaldo
yeah
amdonsa ngani
amthatha amsondeze eduze
ngalokho
ngemali
because izo right Dubai is the only country where there's 100% safety in terms of crime angeke uzothola Dubai ukwaziwe nani nama towers yonke indawo kunama cameras yonke indawo ku safe ngale ndlela isimanga nanokuthi ama punishment amalento le mina join ama punishment zakhona anzima makuthiwa uyaboshwa nje usenkingini kuhash so mase sibuyela back to the drawing board uthi kina sihluke ngani South Africa umthetho nje uqala ama resources abawa misuse ama resources ngale eChina uhulumeni ungaxhasa ngo15 million uthi hambe eAfrica uyovula iwarehouse njoba nithi khona China mall laba mnasuka le baxhasa uhulumeni wabo
ngizwa ukuthi actually uhulumeni wakhona actually if you want to go and open a business
uyabaxhasa
actually give you
uyabaxhasa
uxhaso
uyabona nezingane lezi esuka la lezi efunda yini senkhohla legama lapha lezi hambe zofundisa ama China I have a friend she was earning over 50 that side and indawo yokuhlala nani China she was working there for 5 years wabuya ngapha wavula business so iChina ke into engithanda ngeChina ke iwork ethic yakho
yes again
ngabona bekhiqiza izipuni mina evenini ngemuva isipuni lezo la ngazi inkezo
venini ngemuva iveni lihamba
hayi lahleli
okay yeah but the guy is just making nje izipuni
unomshini okhiqiza okay lamazo mabili you made a great comparison
yeah
iChina into emnandi ngayo inework ethic bakholele kusebenzeni ngathi spoon akusi just spoon ispoon azo supply iAfrica yonke ispoon azo supply ama countries awu 8 or 100 let's say my supply le country yodwa is making a profit of 10,000 balaka ma 80 lo muntu akayishintsha impilo yakhe ngale nesimo sasekhaya iChina nework ethic ikholele ekusebenzeni uthi uyabona nje kunezimpi kuyimanje beno Melika nani
yeah
kuningi manje China but China nje imfundiso yakhona bayahlonipha bayasebenza ukusebenza kwabo basebenza kuya phambili amaChina waqashwa kakhulu ayazisebenza if wena ukhiqiza ngumfethu wenza amagedlela enza ama microwave enza osofa enza ama PlayStation subsystem yonke le irun umhlaba nje isuka kubona into eziningi amawash la saqhubekela namhlanje
I was surprised South Africa guys don't even make ama toothpicks ngangibuka ilokhuze ama toothpicks ibhala ukuthi made in Taiwan or something
we are consumers
ama toothpicks guys
we are consumers in South Africa
guys come on
we are consumers
ama toothpicks
khonim khona imoto amafile abangakwazi ukukhanda South Africa. I was so disappointed. So hayi engine hayi iyothatha 3 weeks sisazoyilanda le.
Yeah.
Kuningi nje mfethu. Siyabona vele abafethu bande bayazama siwethu sifaka amakhabethe ama-tiles nani. How about produce ama-tiles ethu? Why ngathiwa nje hayi nangu
ukwafaka siyakubona but ake silikhanda i-tiles.
nangu kuthiwa nangu uSibiya une factory yakhe eqeza ama-tiles. Why don't you do that? It's always amandela nabelungu. Like why don't you do that? Why kunzima for umuntu omnyama I believe ukuthi angakwenza lokho?
That's why I was so interested in you ukuthi when there's a phone and there's no one I know who's black who's actually selling a phone. That to me that was something else.
So adayisi kuphela siyabakhanda futhi.
Exactly. So that's to me it's something else. And we need more of those people like that. Man, I think asivala. Elina ngasobuya sizoxoxa because I can see ukuthi actually there's a lot that you can talk about. Kuningi okwaziyo.
Akukho ngiyafundisa ngiyahlupa.
Yeah.
Ngiyahlupa and we like ama middlemen in SA but I know it's not everyone mhlawumbe ona resource or oba nohlupa but as I told you I know abantu abanama business but still they are capable of doing it more. But ngeke uwenze lutho phela umuntu osenelisekile yabo ukuthi hayi mina sengirame nginale ngidlile akafuni ukutrim business lakhe liye phezulu or whatever la akwenzayo iskill nazo. But ngangijabulisa ngibona abantu abamnyama beqhubeka beya phambili and especially ke ngencane because izolo phathi ayibona kusasa kungagcini futhi kuthiwa kubizwe thina kusasa ubizwe umunye kuthiwa unamasali una u10 ufana omncane.
Yeah.
Ube umunye mhlawumbe ukhunda utshani or thungi ajabona abo maxhosa abantu bayithunga yabo omunye kuthiwa hayi uye France yindwa empahla zakhe like there's a lot noma kuthiwa hayi ugude kulokhu nalokhu yabo even sports whatever you call it.
Wait, siyabonga kakhulu. Thanks for isikhathi sakho man. Sikufisela inhlanhla in everything that you do. Siyabuka thina sibuka i-success and sibe happy. That is the reason why we have a platform like this to make sure ukuthi abantu like you bathola where they can actually speak for themselves. Noma bekuthiwa yini enye sure esayidini kodwa I spoke iqiniso lami here and I've ngifundisile abanye abantu khona umuntu ozobuka la afunde and be like okay maybe I can still make it nami ngiphuma where I come from. Thanks for isikhathi sakho man.
Hayi ngibongile nami ukuthi ngipha menywe kwi-media house yangakithi and siyafisa masihlangane kahle this year umuntu inkampani zobenza u4 years Smartphone Avenue. I think uma ukuthi akuthi asazi sizwe yake maybe in Durban because we always hold it into formal mhlambe manje sifake invoice uthi hayi cela ngizocoverisha lokho ngizokwazi interview abasebenzi and just get everything ungezwe izilami kuphela because abasebenzi bona bazi zonke izinto kuthiwa nokuhlala behind the scene. So ngizothola nomqondo
othe ukusabalala.
Yebo
mfethu siyabonga kakhulu. Uyazwa ngithi ngikhuluma indaba emnandi manje ama invoice.
It's going to be yani manager mhlasa isethi mhlambe I think mhlambe sometime June or some but mina sinazi sisekona isikhathi.
Okay.
Mhlambe sitholile hotel and then nani ukuthi ngizocover nje mhlambe lelo hour nje uthi yabo.
Mfethu siyabonga kakhulu. Thanks for your time. Asibonge kakhulu ke nawe for tuning in. Usigazo lo ubafo Smartphone Avenue namanye amabhizinisi ukhona. Yenza sure uma uthenga iPhone you know where to go. You also sell an Android. Do you sell other phones with just iPhones on?
Especially as an iPhone.
Mawufuna iPhone you know Smartphone Avenue KZN yonke Free State nase.
My laptops for my students.
Yeah. So please yenza sure ukuthi uyamthinta ngaso ngesikhathi. Sabonga kakhulu. Thanks for tuning in. Share, like ungene na ku Facebook like ama page yethu Twela News Times, Twela News Times Plus 150 Express ukwazi ukuba mnandi. Sabonga kakhulu until next time.